In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner on your Shopify website. If you're new to Shopify, this tutorial will walk you through every step, ensuring that you get the right look and feel for your online store. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, head over to My Store on your home dashboard. This is where you can manage all the different aspects of your store. Next, you're going to click on Online Store in the left-hand menu. This section allows you to manage the visual elements of your store, and it'll take us a step closer to adding that eye-catching banner. Now that you're in the online store section, look for the option that says Customize. Click on that and it will lead you to the theme editor. This is your playground for making visual tweaks and adjustments to your site. Here you should see an option for adding or adjusting banners. Click on the current banner image, which should allow you to start making changes. Now click on Select to choose a new image for your banner. You'll be directed to a selection area where you can either upload a new picture or choose from existing ones. Take a moment to decide which image best represents your brand or current promotions. Once you've made your decision, select that image. After you've selected the image, confirm your choice by clicking Done. This will set your image as the new banner. If you wish to add a second image, possibly for a rotating banner effect, repeat the selection process. Click on Select once more, choose another image and confirm by clicking Done. This feature allows you to keep your site fresh and updated, a crucial aspect in engaging your audience. Next, let's talk about customization. You'll notice an option for image overlay opacity. This feature plays a significant role in how your text appears over the image. You can adjust the opacity to ensure that your text stands out against any busy background. Play around with this setting until you find the perfect balance that keeps your text readable yet stylish. Once everything looks spot on, don't forget this crucial step. Click on Save. It locks in all your changes and updates your live site with the new banner. This easy yet essential task can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your store, attracting more visitors and potentially increasing sales. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new banner to your Shopify website. By following these steps, you're not just making aesthetic changes, but crafting an inviting storefront for your customers. Thanks for joining me today, and remember to check back for more helpful Shopify tips and tutorials.